Team Maxwell-Gunter, I'm Colonel Eries Mentzer, your installation commander.
And I'm Chief Master Sergeant Lee Hoover, your installation command chief.
And we're just not your installation leadership team, we're also parents. And we are here today to thank DoDEA for 75 years of dedicated service to our military families.
DoDEA has a very noble and important mission to educate, engage, and empower military-connected children to succeed in our dynamic world we live in today. And they've maintained their focus over those 75 years to make sure they educate every child, everywhere, and every way they can.
You know, in 1946, DoDEA was first established overseas, and we are very privileged to have a DoDEA school right here at Maxwell-Gunter since 1963. This ability to have education right here on our installation provides all of our families the freedom to serve, the ability to show up every day and do their best, because we know our kiddos have access to high-quality public education provided by DoDEA.
And they continue to expand that quality education. In 2011 and 2012, we introduced the middle school here to the DoDEA School on base. And this year, in 2021, thanks to legislation, we've started the pilot program, which allows children of active duty military members who live off base to attend on base.
And that program is still available. So far this year, we've extended enrollment to almost 100 kids who live off base to attend the on-base school, and more space is available. So if you're out there and you want to be a part of the DoDEA school, come on in and send your application because we want to continue this pilot program for as long as Maxwell-Gunter needs it. So for DoDEA's 75 years of service to our military families, we just want to say thank you, especially to Superintendent Dr. Coleman, to Principal Pittman, to all of our educators and all of our administrators that make this mission happen every day. Thank you for 75 years of DoDEA. Hey kids, what do we want to say?
Thank you, DoDEA.